my beloved Henry. I met you and I rose in love with you. Life became poetry, and you are the lyrics.
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you, spend eternity with you. I promise to encourage your compassion because that is what makes you unique and wonderful. I promise to nurture your dreams because through them your soul shines. I promise you perfect love and perfect trust. For one lifetime with you could never be enough. You are just amazingly beautiful, and you make me so happy.
Henry, do you take Victoria to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Victoria, do you take Henry to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do. I give you this ring
As a token of my love.
as a token of my love.
Now may I present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Henry Signo.
I'm sure my dad is so, especially my mom too, so looking forward to this day. And so now they can say, finally, Victoria got married. They probably think I broke the record for Vietnamese late bloomer. My excuse is, you save the best for last, and it takes time.
They are all exquisite French pastries. There's about 600 pastries. Of course, they were made by pastry chef Henri. That's me.
Life became a dance. And the music is you. Thank you for being so accommodating, loving, and supportive, even through our rough and challenging times. I'm very blessed to have you by my side as my life partner from now onward. I love you forever.
I love you too, sweetheart.